In this video, I'm going to talk about how to add a promotion on LinkedIn under the same company over here and how we can add it. So what you need to do is first of all, go over here into your LinkedIn profile. And as you can see, this is my profile. So what I'm trying to do is first of all, if you wanted to add the same promotion or a breakthrough on your company under the same company, this is what we have to do. So first of all, click over here on the profile icon and go over here, click on the view profile. Now from here, if you scroll it down, you can see these are some of the experiences that I'm having right now. So if you wanted to add a new kind of a promotion, what I need to do is go over here to the experience. Now from here, click on the plus icon over here. There are two options, add position and add a career break. So the career break is what it's called, the promotion, and you have to just go over here, click on this. Now that is going to take you to this, and from here you have to select what kind of things that you're having. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to go over here, click on the plus icon, and from here you have to click on add position. And right now we need to give the title and the employment details and over here as well. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm just going to type a random one. I'm just going to type CEO over here, like Chief Executing Officer. And for the employment that I'm over here, I'm just going to select this. I'm going for a full-time employment, and I have to type the company properly here. So I'm just going to demonstrate you with typing the Microsoft. So I'm just going to go over here. And right now I'm saying I'm currently working in this role. And also I have to put a check on both this thing, ends the current position as of a marketing manager. And also I have to go for ends the current position as of now for the general manager over here. And right now you can type a few more things like in which month you are going to join over here, like a CEO. And from the year over here, you can give your address, location over here. We can give further more details over here and just go for the save. Once you save it, it will appear over here like this. And that is how we can create a promotion under the same company over here on the LinkedIn. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.